Hello and welcome to Ev's Historical World. Today we are going to be reviewing the History Heroes Medicine Makers puzzle made in the UK. It dates from 1756 to 1953. And the first thing it shows is Joseph Fry sells chocolate as a tonic. Puzzle made of eco-friendly, sustainable pieces. 500 piece puzzle. Let's see how long it takes. Here's the bag of pieces. Get all the packs of cards. These are all the packs of cards you can get. Children's sport, London space, World War I, World War II, explorers, inventors, women, scientists, kings and queens and artists. Here are all the pieces. As with all good puzzles, let's start with the edges. Sorting out the pieces, the edges. Edges done. Pieces left to put in. Middle of building it, and here it is, all the way from 1756 to 1953, done by History Heroes, all 500 pieces. And pretty much all of these are on the cards. Say what you know, learn what you don't.